Hi, welcome back to today's one question tutorial. Today's question is, how do I follow an account on Twitter? And today we're going to start by looking at the website. So here we are. As you can see, here is the post and the account I commented and liked yesterday. If I am interested in following this account, I can do a couple of things. The easiest way is to hover over the profile picture or the avatar. Here we have the short bio about this account, a podcast about Swedish traditions and behaviors that non-Swedes might find fun, strange, and maybe even disturbing. And this account is following 20 people and have 7 followers. If I just want to follow it now, I can just click this little follow button. Let's unfollow for a short while to see how we can do it more. We can just click on the avatar, which will take me to a Swedish Fika's profile page. And here we see the same information. We can see the avatar, the profile picture. We can see the header. We can see the same information. And we can take a look at different posts here before we decide if we want to follow. Here I can hit follow. Now I can decide if I want to be notified or not. Now I have notification on, which means when this account is posting, I will get a notification. So now I am following this account. Let's unfollow again and take a look at how it looks on the phone. Okay, so here we are back on my phone. Now let's see. As you can see on the phone, I don't have the hover function. So if I want to follow the account, I need to click on this avatar or profile picture and go over here and click follow. And when I hit the little bell, I can choose off, only live videos or all tweets. So let's hit all tweets. And now I will get information from this account when they post. I hope this short little one question tutorial helped you answer the question, how do I follow an account on Twitter? Until next time, hej då!